Hello guys, my name is Clayton and go with the flow, yo, cause I'm gonna go. Alright, so today I was gonna do an awesome taste test and review a full throttle. Okay, so here she is, full throttle. Full citrus flavor, and so let's read what it has before I take any of this in my body. Warning, do not do this at home unless you're an awesome person like me. So let's see what it says like right here. Okay, easy drinking, facile à boire, hard working, travailleur, and that's all it says. Calories, 230, and that's a lot of calories. Fat, 0%. Sodium, 160 milligrams, holy, 7%. Carbohydrate, 56 grams, 19%. Protein gram, wait, sugar, 56 grams, which is 19%. 1 gram of protein, riboflavin, 190% niacin, niacin I mean, 150% vitamin B6, there's no B12 in this, 210%, so high caffeine content, 141 milligrams of caffeine, taurine 1,892, which is bull sperm, by the way. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get a wine glass. We're gonna taste this. Peace out for like 2 seconds, boy. Oh. Peace! And we're back. And so, pour. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I have opened this, but I haven't taken a sip. Full throttle. And now, let's see how she tastes. That's really citrusy. It tastes like 3 limes and a gummy worm put together. But it's all together, really fizzy and really good. And so, yeah, that's how it works. And it is sure about hard working because I'm already starting to feel about this. Yes, yes.
You're not supposed to.
Josh.
I'll have to take it away. Get off.
Billy said I could make this, but I have to do that. And so yeah, this was Full Throttle, my Full Throttle review. And so I hope you guys had a fun time enjoying this, watching a 9-year-old drink this. So peace out, guys. Peace.